Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, I am going to show you how you can get Meta AI on Instagram. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do it. So first, let's make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. So here, if you go to Google Play or App Store and it says here open, it means that your Instagram app is actually updated. Now, after that, and you are sure that your app is updated, you can go ahead and open up Instagram. All right, so after that, tap on the messenger icon on the top right corner and let's send a message to one of our friends. Let's say, for example, for this one, let's tap this friend here. And what you have to do is type at and then type the word Meta AI. Now, it should pop up in here if you are in the supported country or region, but in my case, my region isn't supported yet, so this is not going to work on my case. But if you are in a region that actually supports Meta AI, just like the US and the UK, then you should be good to go. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.